Want to get fit? Start anywhere, babe.
What the?
Fastrack Reflex 3.0 with 10 plus sports modes, so you can start anywhere.
Hi there everyone, my name is Korak and today I'm going to show you the Fastrack Reflex 3.0 activity tracker. This one is not just a great option for your fitness activities but for your fashion game as well. Let me tell you more about it.
Upon unboxing, the smart band comes with a user manual that provides complete information about the product. It measures 14 by 7 by 10 centimeter and weighs 24 grams only, which makes it comfortable to wear all day long. The fact that it is water resistant makes it an ideal choice for outdoors. Equipped with high signal sensors, the band helps to track your heart rate or breathing patterns all day long. This smart band helps you monitor your sleep cycles as well. Talking about its funky appearance, the ultra stylish band goes with all outfits and occasions. And you can always be on the go with this smartwatch since it can help you control your music as well.
So whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone with an always on the go lifestyle, this activity tracker from Fastrack is something that will keep you ahead.